Vigabactrin is an epilepsy treatment. It's a vinyl form of GABA aminotransferase. GABA is an amino acid which acts as a neurotransmitter in the central nervous system. GABA's natural function is to reduce the activity of the neurons to which it binds. It inhibits nerve transmission in the brain, calming nervous activity. This can make a person feel more tranquil and give him or her a sense of well-being. The nervous system is made up of individual nerve cells called neurons. They serve as the body's wiring. Nerve signals are transmitted through the length of a neuron as an electrical impulse. When a nerve impulse reaches the end of the neuron, it can jump over to the next cell using the chemical messengers called neurotransmitters. In the nervous system, which consists of the brain and the spinal cord, neurotransmitters pass from neuron to neuron. Neurotransmitters are stored at the end of each neuron. When neurotransmitters reach neighboring neurons, the neurotransmitters click into specialized receptor sites, much as a key fits into a lock. When enough neurotransmitters attach to the receptors, the neuron fires, sending an electrical impulse down its length. GABA is made in brain cells from glutamate and functions as an inhibitory neurotransmitter, meaning that it blocks nerve impulses. Glutamate acts as an excitatory neurotransmitter, and when bound to adjacent cells, encourages them to fire and send a nerve impulse. GABA does the opposite and tells the adjoining cells not to fire, not to send an impulse. What if GABA did not exist? Without GABA, nerve cells fire too often and too easily. Anxiety disorders such as panic attacks, seizure disorders, and numerous other conditions, including addiction, headaches, Parkinson's syndrome, and cognitive impairment, are all related to low GABA activity. GABA hinders the transmission of nerve impulses from one neuron to another. It has a calming and quieting influence. A good example to help understand this effect is caffeine. Caffeine inhibits the GABA release. The less GABA, the more nerve transmissions occur. Think what too much coffee feels like. This is the sensation of glutamate without enough GABA. The reason that coffee does this is the other molecules can bind to the neuron near the GABA binding site and influence GABA's effect. GABA receptors that are ligand-operated ion channels and the G protein coupled metatropic GABA B receptors. Impairment of GABA-ergic transmission by genetic mutations or application of GABA receptors antagonists induces epileptic seizures, whereas drugs augmenting GABAergic transmission are used for anti-epileptic therapy. In animal epilepsy models and in tissue from patients with temporal lobe epilepsy, loss of subsets of hippocampal GABA neurons is observed. On the other hand, electrophysiologic and neurochemical studies indicate a compensatory increase in GABAergic transmission at certain synapses. Also, at the level of the GABA receptor, neurodegeneration-induced loss in receptors is accompanied by markedly altered expression of receptor subunits in dentate gyrus and other parts of the hippocampal formation, indicating altered physiologic and pharmacology of GABA receptors. Such mechanisms may be highly relevant for seizure induction, augmentation of endogenous protective mechanisms, and resistance to epileptic drug therapy. Other studies suggest a role of GABA receptors in absence of seizures. Prosynaptic GABA receptors suppress neurotransmitter release. NKCC1 knockdown curtails the NPC proliferation, resulting in reduced neuron production, thus resulting in fewer seizures. This is the bound structure of Vigabactrin.